Greetings to our loyal viewers, subscribers, and especially to our members. We know we've been teasing at going on a season break with you guys, and we did it on All Fools Day, and we didn't go on the season break, but we're actually taking a break, guys. So I wanted to bring this to you to let you know that the season break is actually going to be on Sunday. So the final upload for this season will be this Sunday. We will not be uploading tonight, which is Friday, and we will not be uploading on Saturday. So the final season, the final episode for this season will be on Sunday. Now, it has been an exciting season, but production-wise, we've had our ups and downs, and we realize now that it is better to just pull up a little bit so we can get the quality right, get the stories right, and then return with a bang as we usually do. You guys have been very loyal to us over the years, and especially over the last 2 years that we've changed the format, and we're giving you now uploads every day. It's very taxing on the production team, but we keep going because we made a commitment to you, our loyal viewers and subscribers, and we really want to fulfill that. However, because of resources, it's not possible to continue with the same program that we have. So when we return, which is 2 months time, because we have to take this break, we're looking to upload 3 times a week instead of every single day, because it's really just not manageable, and we don't have a staff that is able to do that. And then we have to contend with persons who kind of feel entitled, and if we miss an evening or if there's any technical difficulty, then people kind of come out strong. But then again, if we upload every day and we tell you guys that you're going to get episodes every day, then we understand why you would feel some type of way if there are no episodes uploaded and we're not able to tell you beforehand that there won't be an episode. So we've decided to correct that moving forward and kind of lessen the weight on our side so as to give you longer episodes and better quality. With that said, what I would like to ask for is your support, just more than your viewership support. Members, big up on yourself, because you guys pay a monthly membership and we truly appreciate that. What I'm going to be asking now of our regular viewers in our general population is a contribution leading up to the season finale. We will be giving out banking information, PayPal, Zelle, and whatever contribution that you can make leading up to the season finale, we would appreciate it, because we've been giving the content and it's really a lot of work we put in, so we are asked for contribution moving forward. There's still a number of things that we need to get to make the bartender continue at a higher level than we're at now. And like I said, we appreciate the viewers, we appreciate the subscribers, but we really want to put the thing on another level so that we can bring to you the best quality, the best stories, and the best eye-popping quality that we can. So, yes, we're going on a season break. The season break will be on Sunday. We will not be uploading this evening. We will not be uploading tomorrow evening. The finale will be on Sunday. Again, thank you so much for your continued support. We want you to continue to support everything that comes on Expressions JA YouTube channel. Big up the loyal supporters that everything that we put up, they're engaged. But for the other people that just come over for the bartender, come on, you can do a little better. Don't just show say just bartender alone you're interested in. There are other things that we put up. We're putting up vlogs. We're going to be putting up new production called Expressions JA Outer Road, where we will be covering different events. You'll be seeing things that will be happening with myself and Shelly Expressions on tour in Europe, and we'll be giving you a day-to-day, the day-to-day happenings of us being on tour, the day-to-day happenings of the production team here, getting things ready for you, and also some exclusive events. We're still asking people to support by becoming a member. $10 a month, I don't think it's a lot to ask for. So support the cause. And leading up to the finale, yeah man, whatever you can donate to the cause, we're asking you to put it out there. So, from the director and all the cast members and crew, we want to thank you for being a part of the experience. We've been doing it from December to now, so we give you a solid 4 months. We're going on a season break. We look forward to everybody continuing to watch what we put on the channel until we return with the Bartender. Oh, as a matter of fact, there will be a name change. It is now going to be the agency. So it's the Bartender. It's going to be the agency, formerly the Bartender. Same powerful stories, strong acting, but we want to pop the video quality and the sound quality a little more. So we'll pull up shop, get these things in place, and we will be right back. All right. Again, on behalf of the team, I am Orville Hall. Them call me the Dancehall Professor. Stay tuned to Expressions JA. Look out for the new things that's coming, and continue to support the channel. Love and respect.